Hi, friends. Renee McLaughlin here. And today I want to share with you something I have found that has completely blown my mind. It is a new technology that allows our body to heal itself, create homeostasis, really working with our central nervous system and the brain, which controls everything in our bodies. But there are absolutely no ingredients, no drugs, no supplements, no contraindications, 100% safe, right? Are you excited? Do you want to hear about it? Well, I know when I find something like this, I just want to like vomit all the information and I get overexcited about it. And so I thought, no, Renee, this time, why don't you have the founder explain exactly what this technology is? So I'm going to bring him on, and I promise you it's short. Now, it's going to be about a 1 minute with him explaining exactly what it is very simply. And then I'm going to show you exactly how it works because I had a friend who allowed me to do a test on him. You're going to see it. So stay after the
People
video.
always asking me,
Yeah.
Jay, how do these super patches work? So today I'm going to give you guys a high-level explanation. So first things first, every physical, emotional, psychological function has a corresponding neurocode in our brains. And these neurocodes, which are just messages, sometimes get stuck or damaged for a million and one reasons, but that leads to poor health, poor wellness, and even poor performance. So after 12 and a half years of research at Superpatch, we actually decoded these messages. We decoded the neural code that can help and control the neural function of physical, emotional, and psychological function. So every single Superpatch has a pattern and ridges in it. And when these ridges come in contact with our skin, the patch uses the receptors in and on our skin to send that message to our brain. And the brain decodes it. So every single super patch is generating a very specific signal that's responsible for a physical, emotional, or psychological function. And that's how the super patches work. So all 8 super patches have their unique QR code that's sending a unique message that our brain decodes. And that's why we can help with so many wellness, performance benefits that people are seeing. So until next time, you guys have a great day.
I mean, like, wow. So again, these are patches and you just peel them off, you put them on your skin, and they send specific encoded messages right to your brain. So actually, when that video was done, there were 8 patches. There are now 13 patches. And these patches help us with balance, with strength, with athletic performance, taking away pain. Sleep, the sleep is amazing. Defend, which helps our whole immune system. Focus. How many of you need focus? Oh my goodness. So, brain function. There's one called Kick It that can really help you reduce your different cravings and habits. How about the one for, it's called Ignite? It helps raise your metabolic rate where you're actually burning more calories at rest. I mean, can you see why I'm just mind boggled? So I just got my patches. So excited when I had what my longtime client, Ray, who is a brain injured gentleman. He comes to see me and I do some somatic training and strength training with him. And it just so happened when he came in yesterday that he was just really off. He was having a really off day and his balance was really not good. So I said, Ray, I want to try something on you. And so we did a test with him without the patch. And then we put on, it is called the Liberty Patch. And the Liberty Patch is designed to help us with our stability, our strength, and our balance. And the cool thing is, it works instantly and you can tell. So check it out. Here I am. A little bit of a Ray and Renee, a little balance test. Move over this way, just a little, the other this way, right here, Ray. All right, so Ray was having some issues with balance today, and I'm just going to show, I'm going to kind of push him just to see. Hopefully he won't go too far. And then we're going to do it putting on the Liberty Patch. So you ready, Ray? So remember, you're going to give me a fist. Good. Not bending, not bringing it up here, and I won't go too much, okay? So if I just push up on Ray, see how the
There
shoulder
goes Ray.
goes,
You
and
can
he
see in
lets
his
go.
face,
Want
he's
to do it
kind
one
of
more
scared
time?
because neurologically
Right?
he
Good.
has a brain injury and he
Oh,
gets
no,
scared.
you're bracing yourself, so just bring it in a little
Yeah,
bit,
but
okay?
it's a
So we won't go
brace.
far. So I'm going to push up again, and
And
Ray's
overdo
going over.
it.
Okay, he actually had fallen just a minute ago.
Up
So
against
now
the
I'm going to
back
stop this, and we're going to
bookcase.
go put on the patch. All right, so we just put the patch on. We tested him once. It was amazing. Here we are again. No bend, no lift, and I cannot move Ray.
Watch that.
Now, 2 seconds
That's
ago,
not
he had
amazing.
fallen over in the room.
Yeah.
Right, babe? And we just put it on, right? And now one more time.
He couldn't believe it.
Strong as an ox.
No, watch.
That's the
I'm going to give
power
you the
of
thumbs up
Liberty
sign in a
Patch.
second. It was just breathtaking to see. And Ray was kind of blown away himself. So, and that never happens with Ray, and I've been working with him for many, many years. So the Liberty Patch is just one. It's really foundational because the science has absolutely shown that one of the key markers for longevity is our strength, balance, and stability. And we know as we get older, what happens, we tend to lose our balance. And we know that falling and broken hips, etc., is just really not a good thing ever, but as we get older. So this is just such a beautiful patch, and I love that you can test it. So many other patches that we have as well. And you can just see why I'm excited, because these patches have the ability to help millions and millions of people all over the world. And it's actually sold right now in over 30 countries. So let's just review really, really quickly. No ingredients. See, they're just those ridges on there. It's just like a QR code for the brain. There is nothing going into your body transdermally. So it does not interfere at all with any medications, with any heart things that you might be doing. It interferes with nothing, and it's 100% safe. Or for some reason you feel uncomfortable, which like really never happens, but if it does, all you do is just take it off and it immediately will stop. How cool is that? Not only that, but they are very, very affordable. And on your first order of patches, you will receive a 25% discount. It automatically applied at checkout. So if you'd like some more information, I'm going to leave my website on the bottom. Lots of information on that website, studies. This is a tried and true technology, and I will be sharing more and more. Thanks so much for listening, and you have a fit and patched fabulous day.